In this video, we are going to see about binary to gray code converter as well as how to convert a given gray code to binary code. First, let us see about gray code. In gray code, only one bit change is allowed between successive numbers. If you see this gray code, 4 bits are there. Out of the 4 bits, between first two successive numbers, 3 bits remains the same. Only G0, the fourth bit, is changed from 0 to 1. Next, you see this number and this number. Here 3 bits are same. Only the third bit, that is G1 bit, is changed from 0 to 1. If you take the next number, here the first 3 bits remain same. Only this particular fourth bit is changed from 1 to 0. So in this way, gray code allows only one bit change between successive numbers. This specifically have some advantage, that is why we use gray code. It actually simplifies the logical operation and reduce the errors, so it is sometimes used for error detection. And realizing a circuit when applying gray code is easy compared to other techniques. Let us see about binary to gray code converter first. If you want to study about other code converters, you can check the link in the description box. So first, write down this table. Your input is binary and output is gray code. So first we have to mark the K.map for the output variables. So first I am taking the variable G0. So the input has 4 variables. So 4 variable K.map is required and the input variables are A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D. So mark all the minterms. Then identify the minterms which give you 1 in the output. So these are the ones in the G0. Mark it here. So if you mark it, you can see there is a pattern of ones or 4 ones which can be clubbed together. So this can be written as, what is this common term here? C bar D, and for this one it is C D bar. So which is nothing but C exclusive R of D. So a simple XOR gate can be used to implement G0. Next we will implement G1. So find the ones here and mark it in the table. So 4 ones can be clubbed together. Again these 4 ones also can be clubbed together. So now we can find G1 is equal to B exclusive C. For G2, mark the ones together. We are getting G2 is equal to A exclusive B. For G3, you can mark the ones together and this is G3 is directly equal to A. We can see that the binary to gray code converter is nothing but involves only 3 exclusive OR gates. You can see here G0 is exclusive of C and D. So C and D exclusive will give you G0. For G1, B exclusive C, and for G2, A exclusive B, and G3 is equal to A. Next we will see about gray code to binary converter. So here the input is gray code. So in the K.map, the input variables are G3, G2, G1 and G0, and the output variables are A, B, C, D. So first let us take D and mark the K.map. You can see that none of the ones can be combined together. So we need to write the expression for each and every one. Now let us write the equation for this one. So D equal to, you take this one, first row 2 ones are there, so this can be taken as a common variable, G3 bar G2 bar into, for this one it is G1 bar G0 plus G1 G0 bar. Okay, this is nothing but an XOR gate, XOR of G1 and G0. So similarly you can write for all the ones, and if you simplify you will get like this. So which is exclusive OR of all the 4 input variables. Next we will see the second variable C. So I have marked the ones here. This is 1 1, here 1 1, mark all the ones and club the ones together. So now also some pattern we can find, so simplify it. So write the expression for this one. So for this one it is G3 bar G2 bar and the common term for this is G1. Similarly write for all the 4 ones, simplify it, you will get G3 exclusive G2 exclusive G1. Next for variable B, mark the ones and club the ones together. So we will get B is equal to G3 exclusive G2. For variable A, if you mark it, you are getting A is equal to G3. So we have seen gray code to binary converter. All these are the variables we got. So you see the diagram, G3 is equal to A or A is equal to G3. So directly you connect it. What is B? G3 exclusive G2. So G3 and G2 is given to a XOR gate where you will get the output as B. But you see the C, that is G3 exclusive G2 exclusive G1. So the output of this one can be given as input for this one. So again you will get the exclusive of 3 variables. And for getting D, you have to give the output of C to this XOR gate. So you will get output D. Let us recall the points we have got. Binary to gray code converter and gray to binary converter we have seen. So we got the variables like this. In both the cases exclusive OR gate used. If you want any related video regarding 4 variable K.map or other code converters, you can refer to the link in the description. Apart from this digital electronics, in this channel read electric vehicle, power electronics, solid state drives, circuit theory and basic electrical engineering subjects is also covered. If you like the video, do subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel. Thank you.